Now let's learn how to enable or disable double tap to screen on off option. Some friends like this feature. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down this and go to advanced features option. Click on motions and gestures. Now you can enable or disable this double tap to turn on screen option and double tap to turn off screen option. If you enable this feature, when you double tap on your mobile home screen, your mobile screen is going to turn off. After, when you double tap empty space on your home screen or lock screen, you can wake up your mobile screen. If you like this double tap to turn on turn off screen feature, I think this is very helpful to you.